opportunity today to speak to all of you. And what I'm going to speak now is the same thing about what Mr. Shari has touched. It's been one of the topics put on the slide by Mr. Azmi about my wish. It's my wish that today, it's my wish that of becoming a good presenter. Some of us has been saying this as we move on into a corporate ladder. We will be in transition from the technical skill to a soft skill. You will be more move away from the technical things to the soft skills. So one of the soft skills that I wish that I have is the presentation skill. I've been buying books, I've been reading books about presentation skill, communication skills, but buying book is not the same as practice. You have to practice how to speak in front of people. You have to practice how to stand in front of people, not to feel nervous in front of people. That's what is the initiative that I'm taking today. I'm trying to improve myself in terms of presentation skill so that I can use that skill and apply in my daily work. Alright? So, attending this training was a very helpful session for me to overcome my fear, to speak in front of people, but yet there are rooms to improve. The journey continues, right? And I wish later on I will be given more